Hello, magandang morning. Si Kuya John Malubago po ito. Ngayong araw po is Monday, November 4, 2024. Ang topic po natin ngayon is tutuloy natin yung online free review natin tungkol dito sa darating na NAPOLCOM at saka PNP examination. Yung tawag nila PC, PESE, Police Executive Service Eligibility. Yun po yung eligibility. Pag pumasa kayo dyan sa exam na yan, promotion po yan, Police Colonel to Police Brigadier General, Police Major General, Police Lieutenant General to Police General. That would be on November 23, 2024, at saka sa November 24, 2024 naman, yun ang exam po ng entrance examination at saka police promotional examination. So magkakandak po tayo ng online review. Magbibigay tayo ng exam, ng question, at saka diretso sasagutin po natin. Kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, last October 25, nag-start po tayo ng review. Ngayon itutuloy po natin. Ito po yung mga tanong at sagutin natin po kagad. It is the right of a person not to be compelled as a witness against himself. Ito po yung karapatan ng tao under investigation, halimbawa sa court or sa hearing na yan, sa Congress, na hindi ka pwede pilitin na sumagot. That is, ang tawag po dyan is the right against self-incrimination. It is the right of a person not to be compelled as a witness against himself. That is the right against self-incrimination. So, who can issue under the Constitution, who can issue a warrant of arrest or search warrant? As a general rule, under Article 2, Section 2, Article 3 pala, Section 2 of the 1987 Constitution, it is only the judge can issue a warrant of arrest or search warrant. As a rule, a general rule. Pero mayroon tayo exception, yung President of the Republic of the Philippines o Commissioner ng Bureau of Immigration can issue a search warrant or warrant of arrest against illegal or undesirable aliens for the purpose of deportation. Kung mayroon na po yung tinatawag na final order of deportation. At saka nalaman po natin ngayon lately lang, ang Senate of the Philippines at saka House of Representatives nakapag-issue na rin po sila ng arrest order. Arrest order. Ngayon, under this doctrine, a police officer can seize article or objects which inadvertently come to their view without exerting any effort, and which objects is incriminatory to the possessor. Kunyari, kakanda kayo ng warrant of arrest or search warrant, nakakita kayo ng object or article which is incriminatory to the possessor, you can arrest, search that object or article. That is the so-called plain view doctrine na wala kayong kahirap-hirap nakita ninyo. Who can order change of residence and expulsion at the same? It is only the judge. So if you are under the custody of the law, under the custody of the judge, he can order change of your residence and expulsion of the same. Under Republic Act 7438, which requires that the police investigator must observe the following rights of the arrested person under custodial investigation. What are the following rights under this Republic Act 7438? Number 1, the right to remain silent, the right to counsel, the right to bail, and the right to be informed. That is the right of the accused. Okay? Under the right of the person under custodial investigation. Next question. What is the right of the people to be secured in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures of whatever nature and for any purpose? That is under the 1987 Constitution, that right is so-called inviolable. Hindi pwede po yan ma-violate. So, inviolable. If police officer detain the suspect longer than what is required by law, he will be charged with arbitrary detention under the revised penal code. Kasi po, pag nag-detain kayo ng police officer, nag-detain ng suspected person, mayroon po yan oras, 12 hours for the crimes or offenses punishable by light offenses, 18 hours if the crimes or offenses punishable by correctional offenses, and 36 hours if the crimes or offenses punishable by afflictive or capital punishment. Now, question is, if an accused person shall look for before he or she must be arrested by police officer, that is warrant of arrest. Kung inaaresto kayo, kailangan hingian nyo yung arresting officer, police officer maybe, ng warrant of arrest. That warrant of arrest must be valid and issued by proper authorities or the judge or yung sinabi ko kanina, BI Commissioner, President of the Republic of the Philippines or the Senate or the Congress of the Philippines. It means filing of the same case against the same person to but different courts. Nag-file ka ngayon ng kaso ng isang tao lang for different courts. Okay? Maybe court 1, 2, 3, 4. That is forum shopping against the law yan. Hindi pwede yan. What is an order being issued to mandate the presence of detained person to the court from the person who is in charge of his or her custody? Ito po yung order ng ini-issue ng court doon sa nag-detain ng person. Okay? Charge of his her custody. That order is called the writ of habeas corpus. So dadalhin po yan yung tao na yan nagdidetain sa court, yung tao na dinidetain. That is an order issued by the Senate Impeachment Court for a person to appear therein to testify is called subpoena ad testificandum. So yung Senate kasi, if there is an impeachment proceedings, it will convert into the so-called Senate Impeachment Court. So pag hindi ka doon nag-appear, you might be issued subpoena ad testificandum for you to appear before the court, before the Senate Impeachment Court. What is the writ, the privilege of habeas corpus? The privilege of the writ of habeas corpus shall be suspended only in the case of invasion or rebellion. So yun lang po yun ha. So the writ of habeas corpus shall be suspended only in the case of invasion or rebellion. Under the Constitution, a person charged with the criminal offense may apply for temporary liberty through what? The right to bail. So pag pinailam po kayo ng kaso sa ilalim po ng saligang batas ng Pilipinas at saka yung kaso po yan is bailable, you have that right for your temporary liberty para makalaya ka, yung the right to bail. Pero mayroon po yun mga kaso din na no bail available. Walang piyansa. The order issued by court mandating the production of a certain document. So, pag inorderan ka ng, pinisyuan ka ng order ng court to produce certain document, that order issued by the court is called subpoena ducis tecum. Subpoena ducis tecum. Now, the following are rights guaranteed by Article 3. Ano po yung Article 3? Bill of Rights of the 1987 Constitution. You have the right to be to information, the right to peaceful assembly, the right of free exercise of religion, and the right of freedom of expression. You have that right. So kailangan po aralan po natin din yung Constitution of the 1987 Constitution of the Philippines. Now, what is the inherent power of the state to take private property for public use given as a just compensation? So, karapatan po ito, inherent power ng government, ng Estado, to take private property provided there is public purpose, public use, and with the just compensation. That power is called the power of eminent domain. So, yun lang po muna. Diyan tayo mag-adjourn kasi mahaba na po yung vlog natin. Sana po napulutan po natin ng impormasyon at aral para po sa magagamit po ninyo sa NAPOLCOM, PNP examination, yung PC, promotional at saka entrance examination. This coming November 23 and 24, 2024. Okay? Ingat po kayo lahat at naway pagpalain po tayo lahat ng Panginoong Diyos. Maraming salamat po.